In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to export a video as a GIF. GIF files are short animated clips that loop automatically and are commonly used on social media and websites. Let's begin. First, place your clip on the timeline and trim it to the exact portion you want to turn into a GIF. If you only want a small section, you can set in and out points on the timeline to limit the export area. Now go to the Export tab. Under Format, click the drop-down menu. Scroll down and select Animated GIF. As soon as you select it, Premiere will adjust the export settings for GIF format. Now choose your file name and export location. Next, adjust the settings. You can reduce the resolution to make the file size smaller. You can also lower the frame rate if you want a lighter GIF file. Keep in mind, GIFs can become very large if the resolution and frame rate are high. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Export. The Premiere will now generate your GIF file. After exporting, open the file and you'll see that it plays in a continuous loop automatically. That's how you export a GIF directly from Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.